my grandmother.
Oh, come on! Hey, come on! What's that? This is not nice. My grandmother.
Don't worry, I cannot show this video to the police. Hello.
You will give us the pictures?
Sure.
Even under the water? Oh, great.
If you want to buy coconut or Coca-Cola, beer, you can pay at the boat. Dito kami sa Secret Beach, mga idol. Juan Coco. Yeah, you just pay at the boat. Hello.